That's
Luke chapter
that's the
13.
word that's in Luka esura 13:31.
Mu kiseera ekyo
At that time,
abafalisaayo ne bajja
Pharisees came
ne
to him
bamugamba nti va wano
and they said, "Get out of here,
weegendere
go somewhere
kubanga
else,
Kerode
because Herod
ayagala kukutta."
wants to kill you."
Yesu n'abagamba nti
And Jesus said,
mugende mugambe enkerettanyi eyo
"Go and tell that fox
nti laba ngoba dayimoni
that I'm driving out demons
mponya abantu
and performing miracles
abantu leero
today
n'enkya
and tomorrow,
ne ku lunaku olwokusatu
and on the third day
ndirutuukiriza.
I will finish my work."
33 naye kiŋŋwanidde okutambulako leero
I
n'enkya
must be on my way today, tomorrow,
n'olwebiri
and the next day.
kubanga tekiyinzika nnabbi
It is not right for a prophet
kuzikirira bweru wa Yerusaalemi.
to be killed anywhere except in Jerusalem.
Gwe Yerusaalemi,
Jerusalem.
otta bannabbi,
You kill prophets.
obakuba amayinja
You stone the messengers of God.
abatumiddwa gy'oli. Emirundi emeka nga njagala okukuŋŋaanya abaana bo ng'enkoko.
How many times have I wanted to put my arms around all your
Bwe
people,
kuŋŋaanyiza obwana bwayo
just as a hen gathers her chicks
mu biwawaatiro byayo.
under her wings?
So temwakkiriza.
But you'd not let me.
Laba ennyumba yammwe
And so your temple
ebalekeddwa ekifulukwa.
will be abandoned.
Era mbagamba nti
I assure you,
temulindaba okutuusa
you will not see me
bwe muligamba nti
until the time
aweereddwa omukisa ajja
when you
mu
say,
linnya lya Mukama.
"God bless him who comes in the name of the Lord." A powerful hand clap to Jesus.
Our topic of today,
Omulama gwaffe ogw'olunaku lwa leero,
10 terikyawo.
10 cannot hate one person.
Abafalisaayo
The Pharisees
bangi
are many,
baali bakyawa Yesu
or many of them didn't like
ne
Jesus,
bamuggulako olutalo
and they opened up a grudge against him,
nga mwe muli ne Kerode.
including Herod.
Atali oli eyafa
No,
wabula
the other
Kerode
one
omulala naye yagolokoka.
But another Herod who also rose up.
Naye era
But still,
mwalimu Abafalisaayo
there were some Pharisees
abaatunuulira obulungi bwa
who
Yesu,
looked at the goodness or the good side of Jesus,
abaatunuulira Yesu by'akola,
who looked at the things which Jesus was doing.
kye bava bajja gy'ali mu kyama
And that is why they came to him in
ne
secret,
bamulabula
and they warned him.
ne bagamba amma by'okola
They said, "Watch whatever you're
ffe
doing,
tubyagala.
we like it." Or we
Naye
like
va
it.
wano
But leave his place,
Kerode ayagala
because
kukutta.
Herod wants to kill you.
Waliwo
There is
omuntu ayigganyizibwa ng'oli ku TV,
someone who is being haunted and on TV.
baakutaddeko abatemu
You're
bakunoonya.
being persecuted. They put
Naawe ali
others
wano.
look for you. Even you will see.
Buli lukwe lwonna olunaakolebwa
But every plan that shall be made,
Katonda ajja kuleeta abantu oba
God will
omuntu
bring people or a person
okuva mu lukwe olutegekeddwa
who will come from that same
ajja
group
akulabule.
and warn you.
Va wano,
Leave here.
Kerode ayagala kukutta.
Go somewhere else because Herod wants to kill you.
Jesus said,
Yes, Agam.
who is Kerode?
Herodian.
Mugende mugambe enkerettanyi eyo.
Go and tell that fox.
Kati waliwo abagamba
Now there are some who say
osanga abantu ku YouTube
that you find, for example, some people on
n'abalala
YouTube,
nga bagamba
And
naye
others.
abalokole baayiga
that born again the pastor Iga,
bakozesa olulimi lubi.
they use an obscene language.
Bwe yatwala embizzi,
The one who took,
embwa,
took a
omusege,
pig, a dog,
balina ebigambo ebibi ebibafubutukamu.
they have bad words.
Bwe balinga abatali balokole.
It's as if they're not born
Tunuulira
again.
Yesu kye
Look
yayogera.
at what Jesus said.
Yagamba mugende mugambe
Said,
enkerettanyi
go
eyo.
and tell that fox.
Do you know meaning of enkerettanyi?
Enkerettanyi omanyi kyekitegeeza?
Osobola kuyita munno enkerettanyi.
Can you
Muganda
call-
osobola muyita
Can you
enkerettanyi.
call your brother or somebody a fox?
Simanyi owulira.
I don't know that you're copying.
Abantu boogera naye tebasoma Bayibuli.
People speak, but they hardly read the Bible.
Yatuuka n'obayita amalaalo.
He reached an exit of calling them
Amalaalo
the graves.
yagamba ziribasanga mmwe
He said, "Woe to you,
abawandiisi n'abafalisaayo
you
bannanfuusi,
the writers and the Pharisees, the
kubanga
hypocrites,
mufaanana ng'amalaalo
because you are like graves.
agaasiigibwa kungulu
You're like tombs which
nga
are painted on
gatemagana.
top, shining.
naye nga munda mujjudde
Yet
amagumba g'abafu.
inside they are full of bones.
Kati
of
mujja bwe
wickedness.
muyita amalaalo
Now
ng'okoze
if you
ensobi.
call your co-wife a grave, is it bad?
Tudde mazima.
Let us be realistic.
Kijja kyo
Your co-wife,
bw'okiyita amalaalo
if you call her a tomb,
olwokoze ensobi.
is that a mistake?
Tobulaba abafalisaayo bajja eri Yesu
You see, when the
ne
Pharisees came to
bamugamba wamma
Jesus,
vva wano.
I said, leave here.
By'okola tubiraba.
And we see what you're doing.
Wamma vva wano.
You leave
Waliwo enkerettanyi
because there's some foxes
eyagala okukutta.
that would like to kill you.
Haleluya.
Amen.
Yesu n'agamba mwebale kumbuulira.
Jesus said, thank you for warning me.
Mugende mugambe
But
enkerettanyi
go tell that fox
nti nze gwewalampa
that the one it's attacking,
ngoba dayimoni.
I'm chasing demons.
Abazibe maaso balaba.
The blind can now see,
Abalema batambula.
the lame can walk,
Bakiggala bawulira.
and the deaf can hear.
Abatalina basajja bafuna.
Those who are single are getting married.
Bebalekawo baddibwamu.
Those who are rejected are
Mugende
getting
mugambe enkerettanyi.
relationships. Go tell that fox.
I don't care. You pastor.
Nze saagala kumanya.
Ne bw'onooyimirira mu kakyakiko.
Sibani, even if you stand in your church,
Noga oyo nabbi wa
say that
bulimba.
is a fake prophet.
You enkerettanyi.
You are a fox.
Keke nkuleetedde nti 10
This is what I've told you,
terikyawa omu.
that not
Nazaalawo ne baana banga
can anyone
takwagala.
hustle.
Katonda ajja kuteekawo paawo.
God will put your husband.
Na Nazaalawo buli byayogera.
Even if your
Mutabani wa
in-law says
bikugamba.
what, the son will be like, no way.
Balamu bo tebakwagala.
Your in-laws don't like you.
Ekiro
At night,
saa 7 nga webase n'omusajja
at 1 a.m. while you're with your husband sleeping,
ajja kutandika okweyogeza.
he'll start talking.
Kati nno muganda wange gundi omanyi bwangamba.
Do you know what my
Musimanyi
dad
nange
said to
ndidde
me?
oli omukazi.
That he brought
Naye nze
another
wamma
woman.
bebi
But baby, me,
nkweyagalira.
I love you, man.
If you don't want me,
Oba
I
toneetaaga,
don't care.
nze saagala
You
kumanya.
enkerettanyi.
Kubanga you're a
As
fox.
long as
Kasita kiba nti,
I'm doing his job,
nze kola omulimu
his
gwe,
work.
omulimu gwe gutambula.
I pray for people.
Nsabira abantu.
Bafuna bye beetaaga.
And they get what they want.
Simple that.
Kimala ekyo.
Seetaaga gonjagala.
I don't need you to love me.
Leave me alone.
Leka nga bwe ndi.
Era bw'osanga omuntu nga yeebebenga
And when you find
tasayiga
somebody,
nebala.
Msubayiga,
Answer him.
muddemu.
Leave him alone.
Muleke, mwesonyiwe.
Byakola tebiriiyo.
What he does is not there.
Mubuuze.
Ask him on that.
Alikolera wuwo.
Does he do them from your place?
Oba alikolera wuwe.
Or he does them from his place?
Don't go there.
Togendayo batoyagala.
Olabye akwegayiriddeko.
Have you seen him begging you?
Va wano.
Leave here.
Genda.
Go.
Kerode
Herod
ayagala kujja kukutta.
wants to come and kill you.
N'abagamba mugende mugambe enkerettanyi
And he
eyo.
said, you go tell that
Nze
fox
tensobola.
that he cannot manage me.
Nze tensobola.
He cannot handle me.
Gyekoma okumpalana.
The more it persecutes me,
Abazibe b'amaaso nga balaba.
the blind continue seeing.
Wulira kano.
Listen to this.
Wulira.
Listen.
Gye bakoma mukuba mawulire.
The more they put him in the newspapers,
Bamwongera maanyi.
they are adding him more power.
Omulabewo
Your enemy
ali kunoonya
shall look for you,
nga yeegomba okutuuka w'oli
wishing to reach where you
naye nga
are,
tasobola.
but it will not happen.
Okutuusa lw'alijja ng'ayavula.
Until he or she comes
Okutuusa
crawling.
lw'alikakkana
Until he comes
ku
down
mavivi ge.
on her feet.
Hehe.
Hey.
Omusajja yakulekawo
Your man deserted you.
alituuka okwegomba.
He'll reach an extent of
Alituuka
advertising.
okwagala
He'll
okutuukako
reach
w'oli.
an extent of wanting to
Nga
reach where you
tasobola.
are, but while you won't,
Alijja ayavula.
he'll come crawling.
Yerusaalemi, Yerusaalemi.
Jerusalem, Jerusalem,
Nkulaba
I see you.
buli muntu ayimuka.
Everyone who races,
Buli musajja wa Mukama
every
ayimuka.
man of God that races,
Mumwogerera.
you speak ill of them.
Mufuna ebiyinja ebinene.
You get things
Ne
that
mumukuba ebiyinja.
you hit, you get big stones and hit at them.
Ekiyinja kya siriimu.
Hey,
Pa!
the stone of HIV there.
Ekiyinja ky'obufere. Pa!
The stone
Mukasuka.
of dupes there is they throw.
Ekiyinja ky'obunabbi bw'obulimba ne mukasuka. Pa!
The
Obunabbi
stone
bwa
of fake
bulimba.
prophecy they throw. That is a fake prophet.
Ekiyinja ky'obubbi ne mukasuka be. Pa!
The stone of
Oyo mubbi.
of robbery they throw.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okasuka mayinja. Nze omanyi sirina mutima mubi.
You know, I don't have a bad heart.
Aa.
No.
buli atambulira mu nkola ey'obunnabbi
Whoever moves in a way of
mba
prophecy,
ndinomuwolereza
I've got to plead for that person.
kubanga kyaba yayogerera ne katonda we simanyi
Because what that person made his God, I don't know.
agaba atya omuti
How does he give up a tree? They throw another big stone.
ekyemigati kyawandikibwawa
Where is that
n'obuyinja
of
ne
the bread
bakasuka
written? They throw a stone.
awa n'abantu amagi
He gives people
ne
eggs.
bakwata ne bakasuka
They throw.
eyo iluminati oyo
Oh, that one is Illuminati.
n'ejjinja ly'eluminati ne
They
bakasuka
even get the stone of Illuminati, they throw.
yesu ali eri alaba
Jesus is watching meanwhile.
yerusalemu
Jerusalem, Jerusalem.
okasukira yiga
You
amayinja
are throwing stones at Yiga.
naye ennyumba yo
But your house
egenda kusigala
is
kifulukwa
going to remain an abandoned house.
kyogeramu omuga nti musumba gwe
Turn to
musumba
him and
gwe
say, you pastor.
okasukira yiga
You're
amayinja
throwing stones at
naye
Yiga.
ekkanisa yo
But your church
egenda kufuuka
is going
kifulukwa
to turn into an abandoned church.
you tell your neighbor
Gamba
baneiba bamwe be mwalise mbagambe
balirwana bamwe.
kyobayiga omwagala
You tell
oba
whether you like
tomwagala
or not.
tolina kyogenda
There's
kukola
nothing you're going to do to him.
ate ulya mwenna abali wano
And
mbasabira
even you are here, I pray for you.
n'abali ku tv
And those who are
mbasabira
watching us on TV,
ogenda kutuuka ku ddaala
you're going to reach a level
ng'omulabewo takyalina
in
kyayinza
that there's
kukola
nothing your enemy can do to you.
gwe musumba gwe
You pastors,
let me tell you
kankubuulire ki?
ne bookera n'owala nayiga
Even if you persecute Yiga,
tokyayina kyoyinza
there's
kukola yiga
nothing you can do to him anymore.
to wasting time
Omala biseera
talk about yiga
oyogera ku Yiga,
false prophet
era nabbi wa
yiga
bulimba, era
false
Yiga,
prophet
nabbi wa
the
bulimba,
conman
era mufere.
nebo n'oyogera
No
otya
matter what you
my
say,
friend
no matter
you
what
are
you
just
say,
wasting
omala biseera byo.
bannange kane ennaku zino nga nange
In fact,
manyimanyimu
nowadays,
akasungu
I'm so English.
ekiseera kigenda kutuuka
Time is about to reach.
nga akajja kakali kakuba obwa omutwe
That co-wife of yours was giving you a headache.
ng'okatunuulya ne kirasi yo
You
tekakyagituuka
look at her when she can't even reach your class.
mugenda kwambala engoye obugoye ezo kaze mugenda okwambala
The clothes you're going
ogenda
to put on,
kwambala kapito
you're going to
y'omulabe
put on the capital of your enemy.
kigenda kutuukirira okubaloosa wano
From the time you've come here,
tewakyali akulinako
no
control
one has control over you.
yokuttibwako yokufaako
You're now above.
jesus is your driver
Yesu ye driver wo.
yamanyi gyanaakukomya
He knows your destination.
yesu bw'akuvuga yaba amanyi gy'alaga
Once Jesus drives you, he
talinga
knows
balala
your
batamanyi gye
destination.
balaga
He's not like others who do not how to know how to
akuwalana
do
tamanyi
purpose.
gy'olaga
The one persecuting you does not know where you're going. No.
kerode
Herod
yali tamanyi
never
his
knew.
nation
He never knew the destination.
his journey
Oba olugendo lwe,
his future
oba ekkomo lye, oba ebiseera bye
kerode yali
by'omumaaso.
tamanyi
He never knew.
future ya yesu
He never knew the future of
ye
Jesus.
yewaga ndakomata ndakomata
I'm going to kill
naye
him.
ng'oli alina missoni
While the
ye
other one had a different
gy'alina
mission that
okumaliriza
he had to fulfill.
kyova olaba yaddemu nga teyeeguya
That is why he said it while he was even
yaddamu
feeding us.
abalaata
Said,
n'agamba mugambe enkolo
you
ettanyi
can tell that folks.
mugambe enkero
You can
ettanyi
tell it.
eyantuma ku nsi
The one who sent me here
yaninako obuyinza
is the only one that has authority over me.
waliwo wano kati gwe bawadde ennaku
Now there are some people here who are
oluusi
given days.
n'abasamize bakkubira amasimu
Some which doctors even call you.
ojja kufa
You're
ojja
going to
kufa
die. You're going to die.
right now
Kati we
yimirira ogambe
stand up and say,
waliwo katonda
there's God
amanyi amagenda
who
gange
knows my journey
amanyi
forward
n'amata
and
gange
my journey back.
waliwo katonda
There is God
amanyi future yange
who knows my future.
waliwo katonda
There is God
amanyi omuwendo gw'enviiri
that knows the amount of hair
ezindi ku mutwe
that's on my skin.
my friend
Mukwano
you
gwange,
don't have a power
tolina
you don't have
buyinza,
a authority
tolina
to kill
maanyi
me
okunzita.
I have my God
Nina
I
Katonda
have
wange,
Jesus
nina
Christ
Yesu wange.
nothing you can do
Tewali ky'osobola kunkola.
My friend.
Ne bw'oba ani.
nothing you can do
Tewali.
nothing
Tewali.
nothing
Tewali.
nothing
Tewali.
nothing
Tewali.
I have Jesus
Na Yesu.
Chukira n'omugenti genda ogambe enkerettanyi eyo.
Turn to neighbor and say, go tell that fox
Etakwagala
that does not like you
nti gw'osabira wa Pastor Yiga.
that you pray from Pastor Igas.
Ebyamagero bikolebwa.
Miracles are done.
Kati n'otwogere waliwo omuntu ali ku TV.
And I was speaking to someone who's on TV.
Agamba saagala
I
kisajja.
don't like that man.
Saagala musajja.
I don't like him.
If you don't like me,
Oba tonjagala.
Easy.
Tikiri
Easy.
It's okay.
Kademo.
Should I say it again?
If you don't like me,
Oba tonjagala.
if you don't want me,
Oba tonetaaga.
if you don't want to see
Oba
me,
toyagala nakundabako.
easy.
It's okay.
If you don't like me,
Oba tonjagala.
it's okay.
It's fine.
Kyova wali muntu yenna ali wano oba oli mukyala.
That is why I see
Ng'oli
what I
ku
see.
TV.
Whether you're a lady and you're
Gayi n'akwebadaalirako.
and the guy feels nice over you.
Okiwulidde?
I hear it.
Mugambe ekintu eki.
Tell him one thing.
Si nze nakkwana.
I'm not the one who
Gwe
quite you.
wankwana.
You're the one who tapped
It's
me.
okay.
So, techina buzibu. Just
Kyogera mu
like
mugenti
that.
Yiga ali bibye.
That your neighbor said, Pastor Iga is just like
Pastor Yiga
that.
ali bibye.
He's just like that.
If you love me,
Oba onjagala.
if you don't love me,
Oba tonjagala.
it's okay.
Tesaagala
You are not a last man of me.
sigwe musajja asembayo.
Habe ebintu ebimu bibabobbeza mutwe bwere.
Some things pain you for nothing.
N'oyagala n'okwetta.
You even want to commit
Because of
suicide.
guys.
Just to olw'okuba omusajja.
Be nkubuuzaako.
If I ask
Do
you,
you love him?
omwagala.
Yes, I do. Can you pray for you to get another one?
Kusabira ofune omulala.
No. Pastor, I love this one. Please, please, please. I like that guy. I like that guy. Please, Pastor. He's not a last man of
Si omugalanda w'abasajja.
Be strong.
Beera mugumu.
Change your mind.
Kyusa ebirowoozo byo.
Change your mind.
Kyusa endowooza
This
zo.
is the time.
Si asemba.
Tewazaalibwa naye.
You weren't born with him.
Ekyo ekikwemazaamu.
That which makes you
Tewava nakyo mu lubuto lwa
you
maama.
never came from your mother's womb with it.
Be strong.
Beera mugumu.
Okay?
Owulidde?
Yes, you love him.
Kituufu omwagala.
Funa control of
Naye
love.
kiteekeko ekkomo.
Bw'omukubira simu eki.
Once you give him one
Nakyo making a busy.
and he turns it
Don't
busy,
call him again.
totawaana kuddamu mukubira.
Ate naye bw'akuba.
And once he calls,
Mulage nti naawe tolina budde.
let's show him that you're kind of busy, you know.
Stress free.
Beera nga tolina stress. Be stress free.
I don't like that guy.
Oyo simwagala.
Oyo omusajja oyo simwagala.
Omusajja oyo, I don't like that guy.
Pasaiga oyo yampama.
That pastor guy, I hate him.
Temuwulirako bingi
I
nnyo.
hear very many things about
Yampama.
him. I don't
If
like
you
him.
don't like me,
Oba tonjagala.
if you don't want,
Oba
I
tonetaaga.
have a people
Gamba
who
abantu.
love me.
Waliyo abantu abanjagala.
Oluzungu lwange lulimu
My
embogobogoya.
English has some buffalo.
Siri muzungu.
I'm not so zoom, but yeah.
Oba tonjagala.
If you don't
Lekayo.
hey, you leave.
Ndyawo.
Do I eat at yours?
Wansuza.
You harbor me.
Nedda. Nassegwana naye kasooke yomba.
I came to fight, but let me quarrel first.
Abamanyizi bandeesako abansi. Nassegwana naye kasooke yomba. Leero tulina abayaaye emanju w'ebikale. Bali baasuuse ku kye bayita omumanyiira. Mbuuze mundeke mpitewo ngende ndabe kafeero. Oli bwe twasamanga basunza nnyo mboyo tosayiga mumanyi nnyo era n'obufere bwe mbumanyi nnyo oyo pasita mukwasi w'abakazi mbate era bambi mulwadde wa siri mbate sina kindi nabbi wa bulimba mbwera bambi yakkane mu nnyanja mbate eruda iluminati basunze akamanyiiro
I came to fight. But let me first square a bit, eh?
Sunday service.
Service yok Sunday. Starting at 4 p.m.
Tubera live ku ABS TV.
Tubera ko mutelevu ku ABS TV.
Basunze akamanyiiro.
Taking their family and
oyinza okulaba olinga yeefuula akumanya ennyo.
You can see someone pretending to be knowing you much.
Naye gw'otalabangako.
Even someone you've never seen.
Yeefuula akumanya ennyo.
Pretends to be knowing you more.
Kale bambi mumanya.
You people can know.
Yantama.
I don't like
oba nakutama nkutama.
If I tell you, fine.
Gwandisa.
Are you the one who gives me what to eat?
Engoye ze nyambala gwasi.
Do you buy the clothes? Do you buy for me the clothes I put on? That is how Stephen you will see it. If you that like me, whether you're on TV, the more they attack you, the better the Lord will turn you. Remove this chair, I'll show you. Take away the chair.
Linda malokuyomba.
First wait. You first remove that chair very quickly. I should not sit again, oh. Have you heard? I don't want to familiar me, eh?
Tell
him I said this man can quarrel. He even quarrel things every time he can quarrel.
waliwo abangambye musumba bulijjo tusuwa saavisi zo nga ku TV tetuziraba.
We don't see them on TV. Yes.
Nze ndi muyombi kati abaana ekibawana ne baleka wano entebe.
What makes them leave the chair here?
Nga ndi mukubulya ne bateeka wano
when I'm
entebe.
preaching and they put a chair here, why?
Lwaki bagiteeka?
Why do they put it?
Ate nawali ku TV ku kamera nongoosa.
Even you on the TV.
Nze siri musajja mubi.
You don't go Sammy, I'm a beautiful man.
Abantu balage bulungi nga nyirira.
Let the people see how good I look, you know.
Kyogera n'omugezi ono taagwa eddalu.
Don't even say Otigo crazy.
Miracle moment.
Ekiseera eky'ebyamagero.
Ebyamagero bigenda kutandika.
Miracles are going to move.
Somebody say hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Someone pretends to be knowing you very much. And the spirit of familiarity. Whoever has come and you are on TV, I want the Lord take it away from you. You know,
nayo spirit y'amaanyi
nagwo guba mwoyo.
Omwoyo gw'okumanyirwa.
Yeah, it's a bad
nagwo
spirit.
mwoyo mubi.
It's a terrible spirit.
Oyinza okumanyirwa.
You can be familiar.
Oyinza okulaba kaggayi.
You can see a guy
nga kakumanyira but
familiarly
you used to love him.
Wali omwagala.
Oba wasalawo n'okaagala.
Or you decided to love him.
Mu bunaku bwako.
In his poverty.
N'okalekerayo.
And he just left.
N'owulira nga mutuufu okaagala.
And you really love him.
Abasajja b'ebbeeyo balaba.
You left
but you don't love them.
Naye tobaagala.
You love this guy small. Kasumalo guy.
Oyagala ono aliyala.
Naye okasanga ke kanaku.
But you find
kakumanyira.
this broke is familiar. Pulling trousers.
You.
When the spirit of familiarity comes, you can find even a dusty one. Hailing himself. Yeah, I know Pastor very much. Let me tell you. But the Lord. Turns and even say, by the time you grow up, what you've seen is a lot. But even me, it's hard. If it's a problem, it came to me. A certain girl. You stay here at Kasoil. Give me a phone there. She stayed down there at Kataka. Hello. Hello. Hey, Pastor. Hey, it's you, eh? Yes, Pastor. Pastor, at 10 p.m. it shall be late. So you wanted me what time, Pastor? Pastor, are you sure you love me? And they tell her, put him in loudspeaker. Put him in loudspeaker. Hello, Musumba. Hello, Pastor. But now, Pastor, what if I become pregnant? Yes. Pastor, you have to assure me that you will go to my mother's. Yes. If you assure me that you go to my mother. Okay, Pastor, let me try. Pastor, why don't we do it on Kulomkaga? Okay.
Lumu tuba mu taxi tutambula tuteredde bateeka kawa kayimba ka kafeero kano kalusiya kawala ka kinyozi ne kamwetuka nga beketema ebigambo muze kalo ye yali asajja obufumba neŋŋaana nasiri ku mbeera z'abaddongo naye nga bw'otunuliragaana kafeero ova ne mu taxi ne weegoga byewalidde nakakubye lusibiripa lukabunya olufufu luliwe katalutuka Mungu yamanyiwo abamanyize bandetedde akabazi naserwana naye kansooke yomba olina omusanga
you find someone
ng'atuusiza akakundiiri nga bw'amanya ennyo pasayiga
telling them how much she knows Pastor Iga.
Kati abantu batusimanyi lwaki nze.
Such people, I don't know.
Lwaki babimbeerako.
I don't know what they do on me.
Mama wange yanzala
because I am beautiful.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Okay.
Anyway,
whoever
has come here, I pray for favor to be upon you. I pray that you be favored. I pray that you be loved. I pray that you be loved. No matter how much they talk about you, many shall keep admiring you. Many shall still be in need of you. Those that want to be next to you shall be even more. Those that want to step forward shall be very many. I pray for you to be favored. I pray for you to be loved. Those who persecute you have to be there. But the Lord will always raise your levels. Those that talk about you will always be there. But the Lord will raise your standards. A very big hand clap to that. I'm still quarreling. I'm still yomba. Yeah, I'm still quarreling. And some women, you cause your husbands to hate me. Let me assure you. Why you're sleeping? At times you have appointments with people from abroad, you know, things like that. So you've given someone an appointment call. While you're waiting for that person to call you, and someone calls.
Hello, Musumba.
Hello, Pastor.
Wanji.
Yes.
Musumba.
Pastor.
Kati ono kyokka yakayingira essaawa zino.
Do you know he has just entered now?
Kyokka tuusa ntuukirako.
And then he
naye
has
nze
reached
Musumba
on me.
kyagaanye.
But me, I'm still refusing.
Kati bw'oba ombulira kimukolere kyayagala
I did for him.
oba nkireke.
Oh, I leave it.
Tumbaavu.
Sit it.
Nze nkusalirawo.
Am I the one to decide for you?
Mwe mundeetera abasajja okunkyawa.
You're the ones who cause your men to hate me.
Mwe mundeetera abasajja bammwe
You're the
okunkyawa.
one who make your men hate me.
Musumba guno omusajja gwasiibye gunyiizizza.
This man annoyed me the whole day.
Kyokka kati ate
But now,
buŋŋamba buguli
he's
bubi.
not telling me boy is badly
Kati nze
off.
Musumba mankole nti.
Pastor, what do I do?
Musumba bw'oba onsaliddewo.
Pastor, you decide for me.
Gwe kyonsalirawo kyenkola
Whatever
Musumba.
he says, what
Kati
I will do.
nkusalirewo ntya.
Now, what do you want me to tell
Nkugambe
you?
nti kikole.
I said, do it.
Kalina ekyo banaye mundeke mbasabire.
Let me pray for you.
Ebizibu biggwewo.
Sad problems.
Naye maama n'ekyo.
But even that,
n'ekyo omale kugamba.
even that one, you want me to first tell you?
Naye yiga ndabi.
You guys have seen.
Kyogera n'omuga nti omusajja alabye.
That's anybody and say the man has seen.
Wanki? Nze aliko.
I'm the
Kale
one.
kambeereko.
Okay, let it be that way.
Ffe tuliko.
Yeah, we are the ones that are on.
Nazze yomba. Nazze lwana ne
I
kansooke
came to
yomba.
fight, but let me first quarrel.
Twakoowa abamanyiizi.
We are tired of those who
Yesu
familiar.
kyeyava bayita
That's why
enkerettanyi.
Jesus called them foxen.
Enkerettanyi ezo
Foxen.
ezikumanyira nga zikujereka.
Those which familiar you as
Lwaki
the
ogende wa pastor
Why
Iga?
do you go to Pastor
Bukyanga
Iga?
ogende wa
This time
pastor
you
Iga.
started going there.
Yali ofunyeeyo
What have
ki?
you ever got from there?
Nawe
You
omubuuzanga.
also asked that
Nti
person
nawe bukyanga nkuleka.
from the time I left you
Nengende
where
wa
you were,
pastor Iga.
and I went to Pastor
Kiruwa
Iga.
ky'ofunye?
What have you got?
Bw'atagendayo.
You who does not go there.
Oguze emmotoka okoze eki? Njagala Mukama
I want the Lord
akukolera
to
ekyamagero.
do for you a miracle.
Mukama akukolera ekyamagero.
I want the Lord to do for you a miracle.
Omanyi omuntu bw'akwagala ennyo
You know when someone
nga
loves very
takufuna
much,
atagijjamu mpalana.
without getting, they turn it into a problem.
Wali olabye omuntu agijjamu empala naye ng'akwagala
Someone,
naye olw'okuba yalemererwa okufuna
but because they fail to get
n'agijjamu empalana.
it becomes a grudge.
Mukimanyi nti eriyo abasajja
Do you know they are men?
bwakwana n'agaana n'akuggulako
If
empalana.
it taps you and refuses,
Ne wano mu kyaki we
turns
muli
into a grudge. Even here in
mulina be
church,
mukwana ne bagaana ne mubawalana.
even here in church, they are there. After tapping women and they refuse, you open up grudges.
N'akwogerako agagamba aganene bwe
And
gato.
the pastor starts saying big words,
Ombe wagaana.
yet you refused.
Olw'okuba wagaana n'akuggulako empalana.
Because you refuse, someone opens up a grudge against you.
Genda ogambe enkerettanyi eyo
Can't tell that fox
nti abazibe b'amaaso
that
balaba,
the blind can see,
abalema
the
batambula,
lame can walk,
naye bakiggala bawulira.
even the dumb, the deaf can hear, rather.
Oli ne bw'anaayagala okukutta
Even if someone
nga
tries to
si
kill you,
z'entuuko zo,
yet it's not yet your
ajja kuba
time.
amala biseera.
Such a person will be wasting time.
Ajja kuba amala biseera.
Such a person will be wasting
Togenda
time
kufa.
because you're not going to die.
Weesige Katonda wo.
Just trust in your God.
Totiisibwatiisibwa na kufa.
Don't be intimidated with death.
Katonda waali.
God is alive. Your God is alive.
N'ekirala kye nkugamba nti ekikyo
Another thing I tell you that yours,
ne bwe ne kinaapaaluuka wa
no matter how far it goes astray,
kijja kunzika nga kikyo.
it will end up coming back to you.
Nkiddemu
Should I say it again?
ekiyitibwa ekiribeera ekikyo
What's yours?
ne bwe kikasukira amayinja
No matter what,
laazima
it does,
kiridda gy'oli nga
it will
kyetonda.
come back to you. Apologizing.
katonda gwe yatonda
the one God created, that you pray from Pastor Igan. You're on TV. The one God said you pray from Pastor Igan. How you abuse me. At least God will take you in somewhere. Say coma. Your people will bring you unconscious to this place. What's called yours? A man that's yours. No matter how astray he goes. No matter how astray he goes, he'll come back apologizing.
Be strong.
Don't worry. This one has understood it. This one has told me about he has given me water. God buy for me water also. You go. Go and buy water. I'm still quarreling. In fact. Tata never said this one has turned into Sabayo. What is called yours has got to come back to you. There are people here. You never liked me. And you stopped very many big things.
You are here. Where are you? Stretch your hand up.